Hi, I'm Robin Black, Cicely Paris Artist in Residence, and I'd like to share with you my favorite trick for a very quick, no brushes needed, fun and lifted eye look. Using the Phyto-Eye Twist, I'm going to fill in my entire eyelid, sweeping from the outer edge toward my temple. The Phyto-Eye Twist glides on almost like a gel, but sets quickly, so it's ideal for bold graphic shapes and soft blended looks. There's no need to be precise at this stage, just fill in the entire area and make sure you have plenty at the outer corners. Now here's the fun part. Using the edge of my finger, I'm going to pull the shadow out and tilt it upward, creating a cat eye. I've done this so many times that I just need 2 to 3 swipes to get it right. If the tail gets too long, simply rub off the outer edge. And there you have it. It really is that simple and that quick, and you don't need multiple colors or brushes. This is one of my go-to looks, and this technique works equally well with the whole range of Phyto-Eye Twist colors. As a finishing touch, I'm applying a few layers of So Stretch mascara in deep black. I always add an extra coat to the outer lashes to match the flare of the eyeshadow. Et voila, the quickest, easiest, and of course, my personal favorite Phyto-Eye Twist look.